Christina, hi, this is Tony Finley coming to you live here in Birmingham, Alabama and Hoover, Alabama. From the 1 mile up the road from the gallery on Highway 31. Hey, I want to thank you for contacting us on this Elantra. Now, you inquired about the pop package. I do have one right here behind me. Pop package give you some outstanding features that are standard with the Elantra on the pop package, like power windows and door locks, tilt and cruise. It's going to give you the cloth interior. It's going to give you the Bluetooth capability, cruise control, along with the Android and Apple Play capability. It's also going to give you backup camera. You do get the keyless remote entry. Now, this is an automatic 4-cylinder with 147 horsepower. Gets outstanding gas mileage. Get 35 miles to the gallon on the highway. Comes with a 10-year, 100,000-mile powertrain warranty, which here at Tameron Hyundai, we double the powertrain warranty to 200,000 miles or 20 years, which is great for you because I understand you live in Mississippi, so you're not married to my service department. You can go anywhere and have your services done, but you keep my warranty. Comes with a 5-year, 60,000-mile new car warranty, 5 years unlimited roadside assistance. Now, here at Tameron, we guarantee you a great price and great service, so give me a call. My name is Tony Finley. You can reach me at 205-380-6250 or hit me on my personal cell at 205-335-3988. Now, give me a call to set up a time for you to come in, test drive this beautiful vehicle. Now, this is the only one I have left in the popular equipment package, so give me a call as soon as possible. I do hope to hear from you soon, Christine. You take care, you be blessed, and I thank you for contacting us here at Tameron Hyundai and Hoover.